Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. On this bright, beautiful day during our selling season, we're getting into spring. It's time to find that RV. So we're going to look at this 2014 Winnebago Itasca 31K on the Ford E450. So we'll go around the coach. Electric awning, nice storage. Our LP will be here. Good long storage right here. So we transition to the back, another long storage compartment here. Got a good one here underneath the back. If you don't get my finger in it. So double doors on this, so you can get in from the back or the side. Quite a bit of storage room there on that one. So go around the back, we do have a ladder for the roof. The large door I was telling you about, but you can just see, I mean, how easy is this to get into? Whether it be lawn chairs, whatever you want, grill, fit nicely in there. So coming down this side, here at the back we have our black tank and gray tank store, dump. City water fill, tank fill, and cable. Down here we have our 110 plug-in. This unit does have airbags on it. Come down past the longer slide here. Obviously, a 4,000 kW generator. One of the nice things on the C's is the entry, on either side through the doors, and automotive style doors. So we go inside. This is the popular floor plan for Winnebago. There's 31. Batteries are below the steps. One of the best sleeping areas is for children is absolutely, or adults, is here in this cab over. On our Class C, I actually put the mattress in and left it in, and we used it for storage. Here we have a jackknife sofa, large U booth. What do you think this would hold? 6 people maybe? 6, maybe 8. 10 if they're all nice close family. Tall window for good exterior view. Look at the length of this galley in this one. So double doors, three drawers, double doors below the sink also. TV here, but a really, really nice long kitchen area. 3-burner cooktop with microwave. One thing they have done in this coach, done very well, is real nice storage. Our control center with the generator, our water heater, level test, and water pump. Double door refrigerator. Pocket door to separate the bathroom area off from the living room. Tall shower. Private bathroom. One of the things that Winnebago does, so if you look right here, see these little springs? At first they will make you scratch your head, but what they're for is they hold the door open. So if you want privacy in the bathroom from the bedroom, the door will hold itself open. As we come back in the bedroom, you see we have a TV here, two wardrobes, double doors above, 2 drawers, and a nightstand. Underneath here we have our water pump, and there'll be our water tank. So I can get around the bed, get in and out of the bed pretty easily here. Headboard on the rear. So this 31K, like I said, is a popular floor plan. Nice separation of space. It's going to sleep 8 very easily, 6 to 8 very easily. As I said, with all that. So, and of course the Ford dash with backup camera, radio. Ford V10 with a 6-speed. So, love to have you give us a call, talk about this coach, and then schedule a test drive. So, please, Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon. Thank you very much.